In terms of language, there is an argument that will AI be able to replace multilingual needs? Will it be able to immediately translate? And I think, as you've suggested before, you can get very good translation within messages now, and that potentially come to voice soon. So where do you see this playing out in the future in terms of AI being able to bridge that language gap?
This is something that everybody is thinking in this field, I think. And for us, we also pay attention to the trend every day. To us, we are seeing that multilingual can really be quickly sorted by the AI. So in messaging field, AI can really make multilingual easily be handled by a unilingual agent or just the AI itself. So this is something we are quite much sure that it's coming soon, because now we are also doing something on that. But for voice bots, for voice conversation, I think until today, there's still lots of challenges. For us, when we provide a solution to our clients, we only provide a voice bot solution to clients are able to confirm that they have relatively a big chunk of contact volume, because the implementation cost is there, and there is a minimum monthly cost we have to maintain the voice bot programs at the back end. But I'm not so sure after 2 years what's going to happen. AI is coming too quickly.